Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video, I want to show you how can creating amazing project. Guess what? So as you see, like uh it's the same like the power bank, at this time it's very important things everywhere you need power bank. So the second thing you can use this schematic diagram for charging charging the battery and the protection already you charging and the protection part like see as you see this one, this TC4056A, this AC is working as the charging AC, and then the protection, this DW01A, this one is working as the is officially um, for the protection model and charging with on the, especially for lithium battery. So this one, that's why this one is a very accuracy to give very accuracy. So it's like you see like this one is B1, is B out, B plus, and B1. So the input and the output, you see, it's like here I have USB. This USB is working for the charging, of course, because we have the first thing you have to do, you have to know like, see, you have this pin, and then this pin, you have this header. Already you have a three header. All this header, let me tell you the function of this header. The first thing I told you, or IC we use, and the function of all IC use. The first IC is used for the charging, and the another AC is used for the protection. These two AC is working for the protection of this battery, because if you don't using a protection, your battery can be destroyed easily. So but this AC for the protection already it's helped the circuit or the battery to be safe. It's working a long time, no disturb it, because it's managing the charging voltage, charging limited current, charging limited voltage. So this one is designed especially to the lithium battery. You see, so you see, let me tell you some explanation about this circuit. Like, so you see this one is input. So if already is connected, this red one, this red two already turned on, and then just for this red one, this for charging, you see, is connected to the charging, and then this one is charging is when the battery is full already. This one is turned on. When you connect, red one is turned on, and then when the battery is charged, then this one is turned on. So you see, it's better in your even to look nice, because you're understanding if your charging is working, or if the charger is working, because you're getting red. If it is full, you're getting the signal. So it's good, right? Yeah. So the another thing you have to know, like this one is connected to the battery, is connected to the battery output and the battery B. So uh, there is battery B and the battery output. This one, the output, this output, this pin for battery is connected to the output, where you're getting the output, and then this the one, the negative of battery is connected here. It's not connected. You don't take the output of battery and the output of the charging this at the same point. So you look is a difference, because this one, this circuit, this two AC is working for the protection. So you see, That's why I connecting this B out slash B plus. Just this one is for the battery, and then this one is a you see is another USB for the output. It's a type A. You can use it for connecting. You can connecting your USB and then charging your phone, charging something like that. So let me show you like you see like this one. This one is one. mm, is one header for the battery. You see I putting two battery here, and then I putting this one is a USB A type A just for connecting your charger, and then I putting here the type C just for charging your battery, and because I make like the good one like the power bank. See, yeah, that thing. And the next thing you see, it's okay. Finally, let me show you how it look like. You see, it look like okay. This one is for output. This one is for input for charging. This one is you connecting on this one when you supplying, you connecting your phone. It's full things, and then this LED for the charging. When indicating when you are charging, this one is connected when there is a full charged. So let me show you let me remove the top one. You see how it look like? It look nice, It's like yeah, it's no more power bank, And then like even I can move all this there, you can look how it look like on the bottom. See it look like this one. All component I putting on the top side. You see, yeah, it's this is how I make. It's what I make. Then the finally it look like this. You see, it's so nice, and then yeah, can make it. So I think you can do it. You can do this one like even if you like, you can do it by yourself. Just you see this battery. You look this battery. This battery is not connected. That's I put this battery for because I need to design something look good. Just only I inputting the 3D model of battery just for creating something look good. Just there is no function of this because this one is not connected. And then just the big thing you have to understand is this one. Even you understand everything, this one is for the battery, and then this one is for output. Then this is type C, type A. This type C for charging. Is the input. Look here is input. The ground. Are using type C of 2 pin. You see, just only 2 pin. VCC on the ground. Even for the type A for charging, I connecting VCC and ground D1 and D negative and D positive. I don't connect it because we don't need to transfer data for the charging. So I think yeah, it's very easy, and then it's a very interested. You can make it by yourself. It's good. Yeah. Then you're enjoying your power bank. Hopefully you can make it, and then you tell me if you finish. So if you have any question or any problem, you can drop it in the comment. So I will do it, or you can send me the email. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.